A huge whale bought those stocks. First off, we got Msgm, where we discuss it in the pre-market update on our Patreon and of course on our membership here on YouTube, and when we discuss Msgm before the market open on our watch list, which we do each day before the market open, discuss it in our watch list for today. And we said the $6.48 will be a reversal area, and we're gonna have a gravitation down when the market open. The market opened and we went down, then we reversed and we went for the first profit taken 10, 14, and guess what? We went until the $28, and before we went there we got halted. And our live streaming covered this stock, and we said the 28 should be it and the short will come and short this stock. And we said this in our live streaming. For my opinion, for today is 28 before the 30 and this over. Okay, we're gonna have a huge selling pressure. This is at least for today. The $28 should be it for today, and that's why the price got rejected around the 27.70. And we went down around the $18. We're gonna discuss where's the price target and where's we should actually have a support and reversal for this huge volatile stock. Next up, we hunted for AI as well. We hunted for this on our live streaming, and even we did chart analysis for it yesterday, and we said the breakout is around the 1777, and we have a breakout or profit taken around the 2272. And now we're going toward this profit taken. We already took our profit taken around the 1966, and now the second profit taken should be triggered around the 2272. Next up, we got Tesla. Of course, Tesla got rejected right around our box of rejection, the 181, and we did chart analysis for Tesla as well 4 days ago when we said that this box will be a rejection area for Tesla, and we have potential reversal from this area around the 160. And guess what? The price reversed right there around the 162, and the price went almost 3% right now. We're gonna discuss the price target for Tesla for coming days. Abe is still holding above the $2.12, and there's a potential squeeze. FOXO have a potential squeeze as well around the $1.44. APCX went down and shorted, but got reversed around the $3.13, and we said the $5.75 is our profit taking. That's why the short open, and we have offering, of course. That's why the price went down fundamentally, and technically the price actually went toward the squeeze area or shorting opportunity for the short seller. That's why the price went down for APCX. So let's start our video with Msgm. This stock was crazy because it stopped going up. We got halted almost 3 times, and after we had the $10.33 got halted here, then we overcome the second profit taking without any rejection, and of course we went until the ultimate profit taking, the 28. As we said, always take profit on the way, and I saw the sign of weakness before we went there. As we said in our live streaming, the 28 should be it, at least for today. We have a bit of selling pressure. That's why we have a huge selling pressure open there, and the price went 33% down. So that's why it's high risk, high reward, and you have to take your profit on the way and never enter at the top, because we got a really great question from our hunters regarding how we know where we should take our profit, because my hunter just took his profit around the 10 and got FOMO, and he want to see if he could actually enter around the 14, and which the best way to enter and which the best strategy for that. Okay, so this is a really good question, because we don't want to re-enter around the resistance like what happened here. So how we do that? There's many strategy, but the best one is trailing stop. So the trailing stop, which is if the price hit the first profit taken, you don't take your profit. What you do instead, you let your stop loss higher. So instead of $6.48, which is our support, as we discussed it in our pre-market update, so you buy near the support and the price went up. Okay, so now you are in the money, and now we hit the first profit taken. So the stop loss, it changed from the $6.48, you make it higher, the price went up without even going down, so you are still in the money. Second one, we hit the second profit taking. You take your stop loss from the $10, let's say the $10, and you put it around the $13, okay? And the price continues to go up. So what you do, you have the stop loss higher around, let's say the 28. We said the rejection area, and you don't want to get out, and you put your trailing stop higher again. Okay, perfect. You put it around the 25, and guess what? You stopped out, and you get out with a huge profit. Okay, so this is a good strategy. However, you have to be extremely careful, because sometimes we have a fake out and a bit of wick, and be stopped out, and the price will go higher. This is need a bit of practicing. However, it will be really good to protect your profit, at the same time maximize your gain. The other strategy you can do is percentage wise. So instead you take all your profit around the 10, and instead you take at least 50% and let the other one go. So this is kind of different strategy in order to cut the emotion part of trading and let the trade go, and you could actually cut a winner like this, because this one is very, very rare. We can actually have this stock happening like each day, or even each month. We couldn't actually have a stock that go almost 800%. So don't think about this every time and wishing that the stock will go higher. This is a recipe for disaster. We always take our profit, okay? Always secure your profit. Profit is profit. Nobody actually went broke taking profit. So for this stock, Msgm, we have to watch out clearly for potential reversal and breakout zone. For this stock, we're going to cover it in the pre-market tomorrow as well, because it's pretty volatile. We might have a pre-market gap up or down. So we have to be strategic to have the right entry for it. At the moment, from this chart, I can see that the price got rejected around the 2770, which is our breakout zone. And of course, the support should be above the 14. So AI, oh man, this one is still bumping. So we entered around the 18, as we said before. We did chart analysis yesterday, and we took the first profit on our live streaming around the 19, and the second one is going there, is going, because now we breaking the 2119, which is the new resistance that we updated on our live streaming, and we said this is the second profit taken. We took our profit before the price went down. So now we have a retry to break this level to go toward the 2272. So there's a price target here for AI. Tesla is still doing all right, because we have a bounce from this EMA, and this is a potential reversal for our stock. There's a potential continuation, because the last earning was really great, and we have a huge bump for it. And we discussed this price rejection almost 1 week ago, before the price hit this massive rejection. And this is normal that we have a bit of trending down. Now we have to break this box in order to continue toward the 230. And you see this from the big channel that we still respect and hold above, which is confirming that Tesla is still in bullish momentum reversal. We're not in reversal mode yet. We are still in bearish momentum until we clear this box to confirm we entered a bit of bullish momentum. Now we're still in bearish momentum as long as we're below this purple box. Okay, we're gonna do update as well, chart analysis for Tesla in coming days after we clear this box. Abe is still doing all right, because we're still holding the $2.12. We still have a potential break here for today. Oh man, looking good to me. So there's a potential breakout and going toward the $2.84 in the power hour. So I'm watching Abe closely. Let me just put alert there around $2.47 and support around the $2.12. FOXO support $1.04, breakout $1.44. We got the double top and the price got rejected. We covered on our live streaming as well. The price didn't overcome this level, that's why we didn't took this trade, and the price went down. So we have to watch out for the $1.04 for potential reversal and breaking the $1.44 and going toward the $1.72. Lastly, we got ABCX. We got offering and the price went down pre-market before the market opened just a few minutes, and the price went down. It was doing all right, because then pre-market was almost up 10%, and the price got rejected right below our profit taken. And as we said, the support should be the $3.13, and that's why we reversed and the price went up. So what's the game plan? We need to hold this current support and above this AMA. to continue to go higher and break the $5.75 and $7.34 in the coming days. We don't want to have a break for the $3.13 is mean a sell-off. Right now we're still doing it all right because we're still holding this current support. We're gonna do live streaming tomorrow around the 3 p.m. CET or 9 a.m. Eastern time. Of course, we're gonna do update chart analysis update like you see here for AI and the other stock that have potential to squeeze like Msgm. We're gonna do chart analysis right after this video because there's something about to happen once again for Msgm. So stay tuned for that and see you in the next update.